Hey guys, so we're going to be doing the Plouise July budget box unboxing and I'm so excited. So let's just get straight into it. I did see spoilers of this one online and it looked like such a good box and I was like I can't pass it up. So yeah. First thing that we have in here is this palette. So cute. This is called the Sweet Surrender Chocolate Palette. It says give in to temptation, the ultimate chocolate palette. So cute. This gives me huge like Willy Wonka vibes. So sweet. So let's have a look. So, and this is how it looks. It's obviously very similar. And then guys, this palette is actually, oh my god, I didn't realise they've got cream shadows in here, which is really interesting. I won't lie, it looks, I can't tell if someone's like put a finger in mine. What's happened here, but I didn't realise it had cream shadows in it. That's so cool. Okay, anyway, there's cream shadows in here, which I don't know how I feel about that. Like, it is very cool, don't get me wrong. I feel like it's something different, but I feel like it's also going to get really messy because it's like powders mixed with cream pigments. But, I mean, cream shadows, but anyway, I don't know. But this palette is just so stunning. Like, oh, look at that. So pretty. I actually really love it. I don't know what's happening here in this Time for Dessert shade. Like, it looks like it's got a smudge of something in it, which is like a little bit concerning. But anyway, I'm really excited to try this palette out. I feel like it'll be something a little bit different, and it looks absolutely stunning. So yeah, I feel like I'm gonna do a video on it. I know I will. But yeah, I'm really excited to try that one out because I feel like the cream shadow thing is really interesting to me. Like, so weird because on the back of this it says it's a face and eye palette, which is like fine. But it's got one that says can use frowned the eyes, which I'm guessing it's meant to be around. But then it says not for use around eye. There's two that say not for use around the eyes, which is weird. So I don't know why that is. But anyway, that was the first thing in this month's box. Next we have these lashes. They're called Hungry Eyes and we have 3 lashes in here and they're this beautiful brown shade. They actually look so nice. I actually really like them. So that's how they look there. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, they're like a shade of like brown, which is super cute. I really love these and I really want to keep them, but I don't think I will because I don't know how often I will use brown lashes. If I did my makeup every day, I would, but I typically only wear lashes like if I'm going to an event or if like I'm doing my makeup for YouTube, and I just feel like brown lashes, I just wouldn't get much use out of them, so I feel like I'm better off giving them to someone who will, you know? This was really the thing that sold the box for me. It's a new product. These are the glitter liners, and this is a little duo. How cute do they look? Like, I feel like they just look so stunning. I'm so excited. So we have one in Inner Calling and Heart's Desire. Let's give them a swatch. I'm a sucker for a good glitter liner. I feel like they can add so much to an eye look. Oh, and these look stunning. I hope they bring out more of these because these look beautiful. How pretty are they? So the first one we have is called Heart's Desire. I love the like soft matte pink packaging. So that's that one there. Heart's Desire. And then the next one is called Inner Calling. Oops. And this one's like more of, the first one's like a kind of pinky silvery shade and then this one's more like gold. They are so pretty. I'm so excited to use them. And then we have 4 lip bases, which is so exciting. I don't have any like Plouise like lipsticks. It says like they're cosmetic bases but for the lips. And I think I'm going to keep all of them. So let's swatch them. So the first one we have is called True Love's Kiss, I think. Oh my god, I did not realise that much would come out. Okay, whoops, that was... Okay, so that's the first one there, called True Love's Kiss. I did not mean to put that much on. Then we have No Censor. Oh my god, I did the same. How? I feel like I'm going to use, like, I'm going to waste so much of them. That's No Censor. They feel super creamy. They're like a very weird feeling product. I feel like it'd be interesting to like try them out and use them on the lips. So there's that one. Next we have Power Hungry. Okay, I need to like try this time to like, they are just so like kind of liquidy. They come out so thin. So that one there is Power Hungry. They all look like kind of nice shades. I don't know why they're so liquidy though. And then the last one is called She a Baddie. Okay, I actually did a pretty good swatch with that one. That one down there is called She a Baddie. So that is everything that we get in July's box. And I actually think it's really good value for this month. So we have 4 lip bases, which is like good, great. We have 2 liners, 3 pairs of lashes, and an eyeshadow palette. I feel like that's really great value, and that's why I jumped on this box. I feel like I haven't bought any of the Plouise boxes in a while, not because they haven't been good value, but just because they haven't really been up my alley, I guess. But yeah, when I saw like the glitter liners and all the bases and stuff, I was like, okay. So I caved and I bought July's box. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you got July's box. I kind of want to get August. I'm really thinking about it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!